Do you dream of creating landscapes that evoke peace and tranquility, but feel unsure where to start? What if you could master these techniques and bring your artistic vision to life? Hi, I'm Susan McCreevy and I'm excited to introduce my Evocative Landscapes signature course. This innovative mixed media and encaustic wax course is designed to help you create breathtaking landscapes with depth and translucency. In this course, you'll learn to combine hand-printed elements with the ancient technique of encaustic wax. These layers create a dreamlike quality that paint alone cannot achieve.
She gives you the tools, information and inspiration with easy to follow demonstrations.
I've never ever done a landscape in my whole life. I highly recommend it. I really think you should go for the Evocative Landscapes course if you want to be able to create something beautiful.
Join me in exploring the beauty of mixed media and encaustic wax. This course is well structured, offering ample room for a creative exploration. And I'll be there to provide personal feedback and answer your questions in our Facebook group. Transform your art with my Evocative Landscapes course, launching only once a year. Gain lifetime access to all lessons and revisit them as often as you like. Sign up now and don't miss out on this unique opportunity.